In Colombia, there's a drug so terrifying that victims willingly hand over everything they own to complete strangers. It's called devil's breath. Criminals extract this powder from tree seeds, then they blow it in your face. Within minutes, you lose all free will, but you stay completely awake and alert. You'll empty your bank account at the ATM, give them your house keys, even help load your own belongings into their car, and you'll remember none of it. The drug is so powerful that victims have assisted in their own kidnapping. Some have even helped their attackers assault them. Colombian emergency rooms treat over 50,000 devil's breath victims every year. Most gave away everything they owned to people they'd never met. The worst part? The drug is completely legal and easy to get. It leaves no physical evidence, no traces in your system, just missing possessions and a confused victim with no memory of what happened. Devil's breath turns you into a puppet, and the strings are in a criminal's hands.